Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. It's May of 2024, and I worked on this IBM Selectric, put a hub in it, got it all unstuck. It was one of those major jobs, but the customer never picked it up until they're going to pick it up in a couple days. So it's been 6 months or more, and it's been sitting. So let's see if it works. A lot of times these do not work after they've been sitting a while. So let's try it on camera for the first time, good or bad. It's plugged in. Let's see what happens here. I am expecting it not to work to some degree. Okay, let's get a full camera here. Okay, so will it even come on? Right away. That's a good sign. Spacing a little slow. I saw it slow a little bit. Shift. Okay. Return should be okay. This is a good sign so far. Okay, I'm worried about the keyboard. Looking good. Wow, I'll be 6 months sitting and she's working no trouble. That is excellent. That is really, really excellent. Let's try the correction. Let's see how that's working. Wait. Keyboard is locked. Suddenly the keyboard is locked. Okay, it was just a weird thing that happens when you go like that. It was a dash. It was not coming. I can't explain that, but that's not a problem. Let's get back to correction here. Okay, so I typed the word "the" wrong. Go back in, hit the R. Nice correction. Put the E back in. That's as good as it gets. Test, and the last letter is wrong right there, so I'm going to back it up, hit the Y. Looking good. Put the test, and there she goes. All right, that's a good sign that this has lasted 6 months apart. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.